Okay, so do you want me to share my screen now, yeah? Okay. Let me know when you see my screen. Right? Right, so let me go to the login page. So this is the login page. Yeah, the logo will be changed, but you know the username and password. Yeah, Paresh 123, and you log in now, and you get to the home page. I will change this one so it will be like the lowest zoom level. Okay, so this when you load, you will get this thing. All right. So we will go one by one each use cases of the main hand, right? So one use case they have is they want to find where is this car, yeah, based on the key. Basically, let's say they have a key ID, and or they want to find all BMW cars, or they want to find any specific car. They can go to this screen, basically find search cars, right? So let's say I want to find a particular car, so with WD12 and AA, right? I mean AA. So we get this result that okay, there are 25 cars. Okay, so there are two, and the basic importance of this base is like this is a simple search at the moment that you have 25 cars with this search string. So in the future when we have actual use case, we will have a more search scenarios where you can specify what whether you want to just search BMW like Mac, whether you want to search for model, color, year, right? All those things, and you will get this kind of screen. So basically, the use case will be, yeah, I want to see all the BMW's car which is black, or maybe like after 2014 on this map. Where are those cars? Okay, so when this show results on the map, it shows you that car wherever they are placed. Okay, and you can go there and you can see, okay, yeah, this is a car which is basically what I searched for, right? So basically it is WD15AA. That's what we have searched at the moment. And you can do find key for this, and this will tell you in which building the key is located. Okay, what is the key ID? So basically this is your car gadget ID, and I have simulated that also, that I will show you later, but this one is like the first use case. Search for all the cars that you need, yeah, specify the search criteria. All cars are listed on the map, and you can see where are the keys for particular car that you have selected. Okay, and you can play sounds as well, that I will demo again. I have simulated that. At the moment it says that, you know, because I haven't started simulation yet, right? And because we don't have this system working in the real. But when we do, you know, so what user need to do is, okay, he will say, hey, yeah, the key is in this building. So he will go in that building, and key location will be basically known to them, right? And they will press this play sound, and basically that key will start ringing. Okay, so they can easily find that key, and that is for this car, whichever is selected. Right, so that is our one use case. Other thing I told you is like WD115, yeah, and AM. Okay, I think there's a space. Right, so you don't want to see all these cars, but you say that, okay, hang on, the search criteria. So I'm showing this to my customer, okay, and he will say, oh, this is the latest one, the 2016, yeah, this is what I am looking for. Okay, so I want to see this car, and I want to, like, let's say, take a test drive for this. Okay, so what he will do, instead of clicking it here, he will say, he will click here, that where is this car. Okay, so he will click here, and it will show that car only on the map with the key location and all information automatically. Okay, so it will, yeah, so it will tell you all the car information. Yeah, so that car is available there. So you just directly go, and the key is basically the last location that is known for the key is that building, right? Basically, that's what it can do, right? Yeah. So that is basically another use case that user can do. So that is the basically search car or search particular car, and you can do like for using vehicle identification number as well. So let me type something if it comes up. Yeah. So basically, there are 264 records, right? So if you have like particular win, if I want to just search this one, yeah, I can just search that one car and that's it. So you can search by license plate or vehicle identification number. In the future, as in graphics that we have, right, when we go real, we will have more search options and search criteria. Okay, and we will list out that accordingly, and they can see all the cars or particular car. Okay, and now another use case is on the home itself. Now they have a car, but they don't know where is the key, right? So they have basically here, they just want to search a car, basically. They might have a key. So because the key also will have the same vehicle identification number, right? They can search here, where is the car for this key, okay? And if they don't know, like, where is the key for this car, right? Like, let's say any random car like this. So they click on that car. Okay, what is that car? It is a Honda Odyssey and VIN number and this. Where is the key? Find the key and it tells you in which building the key is. Alright, for that car. And now I have simulated this key function basically. So when you do, you need to click here, taste siren. Okay, you will get that two things here. Okay, so what it does, I have simulated it, so you can click this key which will open another window, right, with the key. So you can see that, okay, for example, which one I have selected. Is it still selected now? Okay, let me just select this. All right, and I see that find the key. You see that car gadget ID is 871, right? 800000871. So to simulate this scenario, that how it will look in the real time, right? What I need to do, I can use this car key. It is, you can see it is off, right? So it is off basically. So if I do play sound, it will say that car gadget didn't reply. Yeah, basically this is a real time scenario where key is missing. Key is not available in the given area. That is monitored by our access points. Okay, this is what will happen. But let's say now we have a key. So I have a key, but let's say first find key. Key is 871. So what I will do is I will pretend that this key is 871. Okay, and I will turn that on. See, now it is on. Okay, it is on means the key gadget ID is this one and it is on, and there is no messages yet. Means no one has searched for this key yet. Alright, and now let's see. I want to play sound and see the magic. Alright, so it has started playing the sound basically. So you go to that the location that is specified with this key, the location, right, in this building. You go to this building and you know the search, I mean, where is the key, where all keys are, right? And then you press this key and that particular key will start ringing and buzzing, right? So you know that, okay, this is a car key, this is a key for this car, right? And the key will get this find key message. Right, so this is how basically it will work in real life, that they need to find a key for a given car. Okay, so that's our second use case. That was the massive one. And the third most one is they want to track all accessories, keys, and the car in the given region. Okay, so I have simulated that using this siren. Okay, for example, let's say someone is stealing this car. Okay, or stealing means, or that car is going out of the our access points that we monitor. All right, whether it is car or key or accessories, anything is going out of this monitor region. So let me show you the region monitor. So this is basically region, that is circle that we are going to monitor. Okay, and look, so that car is went out of that region, and that this is just a simulation that I have done, right? That whenever that car goes out of that region, the given radius, circular radius, right, we will get the notification from our hardware access points, right, and we will generate some kind of alerts. Not like this. This is just for a test purpose. I have done to show you that we can track the region, and we can actually play the siren that this car is going out of your premises. So we can have some kind of notification here that okay, this many cars are going out, or this accessories is being gone out, right? So this key is gone out of the radius, and if there is any action items that they need to take, they can take it. Okay, so this use case, actually you can show them that just like by selecting this car and then just turn on this bits, right, and it just see just keep going out. See, it's green, 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 and when it goes out, it's just gone. Okay, so it recognize that it has crossed the region that we are monitoring, basically. If there's room for Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so okay, that makes sense. But I mean, this is not just for car, right? This is for key and accessories as well. Ba- Yeah, yeah, any asset basically. So any asset that we are monitoring, including keys, accessories, or the car, because all three assets have been will be monitored by the access points, hardware access point, right? And it will be doing every 10 seconds. All right. Basically, it will try to reach it and basically get the communication, right? The live, what you care, the send live, basically heartbeats, right? If that heartbeats is missing in 10 seconds, they might retry 2 3 times. If it is not there, then software will know that there is this thing is missing. Okay, and we can allow them to configure whether they want to just configure for keys and the assets or the cars as well. So if they don't monitor the cars, then that's fine. So we don't give any alerts for the car that is going out of the radius. You know. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, exactly. Yeah. So everything is configurable basically. So user can configure everything. So that's basically it. It covers all the test cases. I mean, all the scenarios that we have in the real life. So I simulated as much as possible. So once we have some real cars data and things, then we will have some real tests.